This question says a solid sphere rolling on a surface has a total kinetic energy given by. So I need to find the total kinetic energy of a solid sphere. Now what is total kinetic energy of a solid sphere? I can say total kinetic energy equal to kinetic energy of rotation plus kinetic energy of translation. Kinetic energy of rotation is half I omega square and kinetic energy of translation is half mv square. Now I for a solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr square. So if I put it here, I'll get half into 2 by 5 mr square into, because it is rolling, omega can be written as v by r whole square plus half mv square. So 2 cancels, r square cancels, I'll be left with 1 by 5 mv square plus 1 by 2 mv square. So that is mv square into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So that becomes 7 mv square by 10. So the total kinetic energy is 7 by 10 mv square. That's option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.